Hello and welcome back to another AD Workshop video. So in today's video, so it decided to snow last night. We were supposed to get 2 to 4 inches and we got 7 even. But we got my snowmobile out and it wasn't running right and it would just die after you started it. We look in the gas tank and somehow we never noticed it before, but there's a layer of mud in the bottom. So it was probably clogging the fuel line, but we forgot to record. We completely forgot to record us starting this. But what we've done so far is the seat used to come up here, and there's a bunch of plastics, and you had to take the plastics off, and all this for some reason. And right now, so the gas tank is connected to the seat right here, and we couldn't figure out how to get it off, but we think we found it. Under here, let's see. Right, over here. Right here, these bolts, we think, go to it. Okay, so we think we got it, wanna try? Try what? Pulling it off? Look at that. Wow. That's awesome. In there? Yeah. That's stupid how they made it like that. Let me if I go. Yep. The heck.
That's just on the side. Pull that out.
Yep. Boom. Wow, that is weird looking. Put a bed on there. Boom, now we just gotta clean out the tank. So now we've got the seat all sideways, but the stupid wire right here, this right here, it looks like it's a plug, but it's not. So this wire comes back, and in order to get the plug, unplug it, you gotta undo these staples, so we'll probably just staple it back after, but it sucks, but...
Get on that side. Okay. And we're just gonna pick up and twist. Okay. Ready? Yep, hopefully. Forgo. Put it out of the way. Now we're inside up. Up over this. Oh, okay. Just quick, let's bring it back over. Oh my gosh. No. That's nasty. Just give me a box. I say let's flush it, put more in it, flush it. No, flip it the other way. Yeah. Now lift up. There you go. One more. Down. Down. It's still coming. Still a small stream. Nasty. Alright, fill it up. And then flush again. No, we won't lift it like that. Then put it in. What will we do?